Once upon a time, there was a boy swimming in the sea. "What happened here?" said the boy. "Oh no, the planet is sad. A lot of garbage is floating in the ocean." "We are producing a lot of garbage. More and more and more garbage." "And what happened with the garbage?" "Hey, hey, don't throw the bottle." "Oh no! What are you doing?" The animals were confused. "What's that?" said the turtle. "I don't know," said the shark. "Yummy, yummy, yummy! A jellyfish." "No, turtle, no! That's garbage." "Oh no! The animals are eating garbage." "Be careful, fish! Do not eat the garbage." "Oh no! Poor animals!" "Look at all the animals. They are sick. Oh no! We need a superhero." "Hey, boys and girls, we have to be superheroes and clean the ocean." "Yes, we can be superheroes and clean the beach." "Mommy, Daddy, remember that we have to recycle." Excellent! Now the animals can swim in a clean ocean.